This is the Master Guide to Drawing Anime Amazing Girls. My daughter has learned how to draw the essential character types with this. She absolutely loved this book. And here are the contents. You will learn how to draw the female head, the female body, young characters, 7 essential girl personalities, dressing the part, so the clothing, schoolgirl styles, the stars of anime, so you have some fan favorites, romance, some tips and tricks. So here are a few sneak peeks. So you can learn how to do those sweet looking anime eyes. And the body. And let's just flip through here. You really start with the basic form, and it's very easy to follow. But this is definitely a nice book, and you will definitely learn how to draw all of these characters. I highly recommend it.